Most secured credit cards are boring. You put down a deposit and get nothing back. But what if I told you there's a secured card that gives you up to 5% cash back and lets you go up to a $5,000 limit? Yeah, most people don't know about this. Now, if you're trying to build or rebuild your credit, this video might save you money and time. Today, we're breaking down two powerful cards: the US Bank Cash Plus Secured Visa card and the US Bank Secured Visa card. Now, I'm going to tell you which one is actually worth it. A secured card means you put money down, so a deposit. That deposit means that is your total credit limit. Now, if you put down $500, you get a $500 limit. With these cards, you can go as low as 300 or as high as 5,000. That's big because most secured cards do not go that high. Now, let's start with a better one, in my opinion: the US Bank Cash Plus Secured Visa card. Now, this card is different because you can earn 5% cash back in two categories, 2% cash back in one category, 1% on everything else. That's crazy for a secured card, in my opinion. Now, most secured cards give you nothing, meaning absolute nothing. Now, you can choose categories like streaming, gas, restaurants, phone bills. But here's the catch: you got to pick categories every quarter, stay organized. So, this is not a lazy card, this is a strategy card. Let's talk about the basic one, the US Bank Secured Visa card. Now, this one is quite simple: no rewards, no categories, just build credit. This is for people who want easy, who does not want to think about rewards. Now, let's talk about what everybody cares about: minimum. So, both cards have a minimum credit limit of 3,000 and a maximum credit limit of 5,000. But here's the key: your limit equals your deposit. So, if you want a $2,000 limit, you need to put down $2,000. That's how secured credit cards work. You want rewards, you actually use your card and want to maximize cash back. Get the regular secured card if you are just wanting to start with something simple. You don't trust yourself with the categories as of yet. Now, both cards do report to all three credit bureaus. So if you pay on time, keep your utilization low, you can build your credit fast. Now, here's the real game: start with secured, then guarantee to update to an unsecured card, which means higher limits and better rewards. US Bank even reviews your account over time and may upgrade you. So let me ask you this: would you rather account over time and may upgrade you? So let me ask you this: would you rather build credit only or build credit and get paid? Comment below cashback or keep it simple. And if you want more credit like this, make sure that you subscribe and stay locked in. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Hacks.